Hello everybody, a very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you in this extremely important session at the one and only Examper. My dear students, today's session is again very important, and the agenda of today's session is rectangular arrangement part 1. So what we are going to discuss today? The part 1 of rectangular arrangement. Now let me be very clear. Square is also a form of rectangle. Okay, square is also a form of rectangle. So while we are solving square arrangement, we are already in the process of solving rectangular arrangement. I should repeat that since square is also a form of rectangle, so while we are solving square arrangement, we are already in the process of solving rectangular arrangement. Okay, so we would be solving 4 questions today in the class, and one question set would be provided to you as your home exercise. The weightage of this particular topic in the examination is up to 5 questions. So what is the weightage of this particular topic in the exam? It's up to 5 questions. The upper limit is 5. Okay, but this is part 1. Part 1 of rectangular arrangement is of a easy to moderate level. Okay, the part 1 of rectangular arrangement is of a easy to moderate level. Okay, in other words, we can say that it is of the prelims exam level. Okay, but the part 2 will be of a moderate to difficult level, what we call as the main exam level. All right everyone, fine. Now the next thing guys, have a look at this. Now my dear students, have a look at this. The thought of the day is be like a tree. Stay grounded, connect with your roots, turn over a new leaf, bend before you break, enjoy your unique natural beauty and keep growing. So my dear students, I should repeat again, be like a tree means we have many things to learn from our natural surrounding. Those things may be living or non-living, but obviously they give us lot of learning. Now, the first rule that we can learn is stay grounded, means never forget who you are, from where you come, to which place you belong. Second, connect with your roots, go further down, remember the ones who helped you in your days in which you were very much alone, who helped you in your wrong days. Turn over a new leaf. Turn over a new leaf means be ready to change, because only change is constant. If the old and dead leaves will not fall, new leaves will never get a chance to come in. Similarly, bend before you break means learn to adjust into the situation, whatever the situation is. Then enjoy your unique natural beauty. Do not compare yourself with any other. Every person, every individual is unique in his or her own way. Finally, keep growing means keep on progressing. Okay, and with these words we are starting with the session. The very first question, okay, time allotted would be 2 minutes. Here we go. Quickly everyone. Next 1 minute. Quickly. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me. The question is telling 2 minutes is already given and it's almost over. Okay, let me do one thing. 2 minutes is more than sufficient for these kind of question. I'm giving you an extra minute. I'm giving you an extra minute. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me very carefully. It's very, very important, guys. It's very important. Now, eight friends whose names have been given, they are sitting around a square table in such a way that four of them sit at the four corners while four sit in middle of the sides. The ones who sit at the four corners face outside while the ones who sit at the middle of the sides face the center. So the first para is all about the basic structure of the question. Now the next thing. Only one person sits between L and Q. L sits in middle of one of the side. Okay. Now if L sits in the middle of one of the side and only one person sits between L and Q, it can be in this manner or it can be in this manner. So only one person sits between L and Q. L sits in middle of one of the side. Now O sits third to the right of Q. 1, 2 and 3. O sits third to the right of Q. 1, 2 and 3. O sits third to the right of Q. Next, my dear students, both R and S are immediate neighbors of L. Now in such a case, both R and S are immediate neighbors of L is not possible. Now in this case it is possible. So let me draw a replica of this case. It says both R and S are neighbors of L. Alright everyone, both R and S are neighbors of L. Now next thing, my dear students, N is neither an immediate neighbor of Q nor S. N is neither a neighbor of Q nor S. So N is over here. N is not a neighbor of Q or S. So N is over here. And now the question is telling M sits second to the left of N. M sits second to the left of N is wrong. M sits second to the left of N. If N is over here, M sits second left is wrong. If N sits over, M sits second to the left of N. M sits second to the left of N. And therefore, my dear students, have a look at this. This is the complete structure. This is the complete diagram. Alright, getting it now. And now who is left out? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. L, M, N, O, P is left out, na? P. Okay. So my dear students, are you all getting this? This is the complete diagram. This is the complete diagram. M, P, Q, S, L, R, N, O. M, P, Q, S, L, R, N, O. Okay. M, P, Q, S, L, R, N, O. M, P, Q, S, M, P, Q, S, L, R, N. Okay, fine, it's the right one. It's the right one, my dear students. So now let us start with the sub questions. And what are the sub questions? Odd one out. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Which of the one does not belong to that group? So M, Q, S, L, N. M, Q, okay, S, L, N. So all of them are sitting at middle of the side except S, except option number C, that is S. Alright. Now who sits third to the left of N? Who sits third to the left of N? 1, 2 and 3. Who sits third to the left of N? That is P. Option number E, that is P. Option number E, that is P. Next. How many pairs or how many people are sitting between L and P? when counted from the right hand side of P. So when counted from the right hand side of P, how many people are sitting between L and P? So number of people sitting between L and P are 2. 2, and that is the right one. Option number D, that is 2. Option number D, that is 2. All right. Next, which of the following is true? P sits exactly between M and Q. P sits exactly between M and Q. Correct. O sits second to the left of P. Correct. O sits second to the left of P. Next, L sits immediate right of P. L sits immediate right of P. No. Q is the immediate neighbor of P. Q is the immediate neighbor of P. Yes. So now, more than one of the above is correct. More than one of the above is correct. Option number C. Option number C is correct. Next, what is the position of M with respect to Q? Position of M with respect to Q is second to the right. Position of M with respect to Q is second to the right, and therefore the correct answer, the valid answer is option number B, second to the right. Next, my dear students, the next question. Solve this question. I would be giving you again 3 minutes for this. Your time starts now. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Next 1 minute. Next 1 minute. So 3 minutes was allotted for this particular question. Okay. I'm giving you an extra minute that please solve this. Okay. And after that we will discuss this. But 3 minutes is more than sufficient for such kind of question. Okay, now see my dear students. See my dear students, please have a look at this. Now, question is telling A to H are sitting around a square table facing the center in such a way that 4 of them sit at the 4 corners while 4 sit in middle of the 4 sides. Now, A sits second to the right of F and F sits at middle of one of the sides of the table. So, my dear students, F sits in the middle of one of the sides of the table and A sits second, 1 and 2, A sits second to the right of F. Now, my dear students, the next thing. Now, here it is okay, but there is no interconnecting point. There is no interconnecting point of A and F. Nowhere A and F is written. Okay, here it is a very indirect reference that E is not a neighbor of F. So, just wait. Do not use this line. Just wait. Do not use this line. Okay, we will use it later on. We will use it later on. Okay, this is the smart work, guys. Let us use the other one. G does not sit at any of the corners of the table. G who does not sit at any of the corners of the table means G sits at the middle of the side, isn't it? G who does not sit at any of the corners of the table sits second to the right of D. Okay, so I should repeat. G who does not sit at any of the corner of the table sits second to the right of D. And now, only 2 people sit between D and B. Now, here one more case will be there. When the question says only 2 people sit between D and B, 1 and 2, B will be over here, 1 and 2, B will be over here. Next, my dear students, now it is also telling you in a very clear way that, okay, now see what line we can use. What line we can use? Very clearly it is telling you A sits second to the right of F, F sits in middle of one of the side. F sits in middle of one of the side, A sits second to the right of F. F sits in one of the middle of the side, A sits second to the right of F. So now that things are getting done, now it's almost over. A sits second to the right of F, F sits in middle of one of the sides of the table. G who does not sit at the corner means middle of the side of the table and sits second to the right of D. Only 2 people sit between D and B. Okay. Next, C is not a neighbor of G. C is not a neighbor of G, that means C is over here. C is not a neighbor of G means C can be here. Next, H sits second to the left of B. H sits second to the left of B. H sits second to the left of B. And now E is not an immediate neighbor of G or F. E is not an immediate neighbor of G or F. E is not a neighbor of G or F means E will be here and now C will be here. In this case, if E comes over here, it will be neighbor of G, which is wrong because it clearly says E is not an immediate neighbor of G or F. And this is the final diagram, the correct diagram. Alright everyone, this is the correct one. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. EACFBGHD. EACFBGHD. Okay. EACFBGHD. Fine. I hope it is very clear. Now the next thing. Who among the following is the only one sitting between F and A? The only one sitting between F and A is C. The only one means the only person. Okay, C. Option number B, that is C. Next, how many persons sit between C and D when counted in anti-clockwise direction from D? How many persons sit between C and D when counted in anti-clockwise direction? So this is clockwise direction. You have to see in anti-clockwise direction. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the right answer is option number E, that is 4. Alright everyone, clear? Next, odd one out. Odd one out. E, C, D, H, B. E at the corner, C at the corner, D at middle of the side, H at the corner, B at the corner. So the odd one out is option number C, that is D. Option number C, that is D. Alright. Next, my dear students, next thing. What is the position of D with respect to B? Position of D with respect to B. With respect to B, it is 1, 2 and third to the left. It is third to the left. Okay. Position of D with respect to B is third to the left. Alright everyone. And that's the correct answer. That's the valid answer. Next. What will come in the place of question mark? A better question. A better question. See. What will come in the place of question mark? Now let us see this. Between A and E, between A and E, if you see in anti-clockwise direction, between A and E there is 0%. Then here E is same. Then between E and H, Between A and D 0%, but between E and H 1%. Okay, now H is same. Now between H and F, anti-clockwise, there are 2 persons. Now F will be same, and now between F and the next person there will be 3 persons anti-clockwise. So 1, 2 and 3, it will be D. It would be D. So FD. FD is the right answer. Option number C, FD. Alright everyone? Fine everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Let me again explain it to you. See, my dear students, A and D, see, E is same, H is same, so now F will be same. Now between A and D, anti-clockwise there is 0%. Between E and H, anti-clockwise there is 1 person. Between H and F, anti-clockwise there are 2 persons. Between F and the next one, anti-clockwise there will be 3 persons. So it will be F and D. F and D is the right answer. Option number C. Option number C is the right answer. Getting it? Next. Now before we move ahead, I will again request you. I hope that is clear by option number C, F and D. Now before we move ahead, I will again request you that still we have more questions to do, but please understand we have launched this English medium vertical exclusively for the students who want to study in English. Not even a word of Hindi we use over here, or any other language other than English is not used. At morning 9 a.m. Tausif sir is taking the English classes. Then quant class is being taken by Sanjay sir at 10 a.m. I am taking reasoning class at 11 a.m. and then 2 p.m. also I am taking today. And Shashank sir is taking GA class at 12 and 4. Alright everybody? Fine. So please keep these things in your mind. Okay? Be regular in the classes. The next question. Time starts and 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Quickly. Hurry up. Quickly everyone. Next 1 minute. Next 1 minute. Quickly, everyone. An extra minute. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Okay, stop now. 3 minutes is more than sufficient for this kind of question. So this is the topic where you have to correlate the things. Okay, for example, 8 Indian delegates, the name of the delegates have been given. They are sitting around a square table such that 2 persons are on each of the 4 sides and they are facing the center. They are facing the center. Delegates sitting on the opposite sides are exactly opposite to each other. Delegates on opposite sides are exactly opposite to each other. All right, everyone. Now, the next thing. My dear students, Apurv and Monica are exactly opposite to each other. Apurv and Monica. Now, Apurv and Monica can be in this manner, or Apurv and Monica can be in this manner. Apurv and Monica are exactly opposite to each other. Poonam is immediately right to Monica. Poonam is immediately right to Monica. Poonam is immediately right to Monica. Now, very important. My dear students, it is also telling you Pratik is immediate right of Poonam. Pratik is immediate right of Poonam. Okay. So, Pratik is immediate right of Poonam. After Pratik is immediate right of Poonam, it is also telling you Pratik and Sunil are sitting on the same side. Pratik and Sunil on the same side is not possible. How will you do that? But here it is possible. Pratik and Sunil are sitting on the same side. Now Sunil is exactly opposite to Atul. Sunil is exactly opposite to Atul. Okay. Sunil is exactly opposite to Atul. Atul who is on the immediate left of Ayushi. Atul who is on the immediate left of Ayushi. Okay. And finally, who is left out? I think only and only Anita is left out. Anita is left out. Okay. And now this is done. This is done, my dear students. All right, everyone. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Have a look at this. Are you all getting this? Pratik, Sunil, Anita, Apurv, Atul, Ayushi, Monica, Poonam. Okay, let me see. Pratik, Sunil, Anita, Apurv. Pratik, Sunil, Anita, Apurv. Atul, Ayushi, Monica, Poonam. Atul, Ayushi, Monica, Poonam. Absolutely correct. The diagram is absolutely perfect. It's clear. Now the next one. Now the next one. Which of the following statements is obligor? Definitely true. Anita is opposite to Ayushi. No. Poonam is immediate right of Monica. Poonam is immediate right of Monica. Absolutely. Atul is towards the immediate right of Apurv. Absolutely. Then Sunil is sitting opposite to Pratik. Sunil is sitting opposite to Pratik. No. But still more than one of the above is correct. Still more than one of the above is correct. Answer is option number E. Next. Who is sitting opposite to Ayushi? The one who is sitting opposite to Ayushi is Pratik. It's Pratik. Answer is option number C. That is Pratik. Alright, everyone. Next. Who is sitting opposite to Poonam? The one who is sitting opposite to Poonam is Anita. The one who is sitting opposite to Poonam is Anita. And that's the right one. Option number B, that is Anita. Answer is option number B, that is Anita. Okay. Next. Who is next to Monica in anti-clockwise direction? Next means neighbor. My dear students, next means neighbor. I am sitting next to a person means we are neighbor. Okay. But next to Monica in clockwise direction is Ayushi, in anti-clockwise direction is Poonam. So who is next to Monica in anti-clockwise direction? It's Poonam. Option number D. Option number D is the right one. Getting it, everyone? Next. Next, my dear students. Which of the following pair of persons has both the persons sitting on the same side? Both the persons sitting on the same side. So now let us explore. Apurva and Anita on the same side. Yes. Sunil and Anita. Sunil and Anita on the same side. No. Pratik and Apurv. Pratik and Apurv on the same side. No. Atul and Ayushi. Atul and Ayushi on the same side. Yes. So the right answer is none of these. The right answer is none of these. Okay. None of this means basically the answer should be more than one of the above. The answer should be more than one of the above or both these, A and D. Both of these. Okay. Fine, everyone. Fine. Getting it? Answer is option number E. Answer is option number E. Okay. Next one, the last question for today. For this, I will be giving you 4 minutes. Your time starts. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Next 1 minute. The third minute. Quickly, everyone. The third minute. The third minute. Hurry up. Next. Quickly, everyone. Now, one more minute I am giving you. But please try to complete the question this much time because that's sufficient. Sufficient. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now listen to me. Now I'm discussing the question. Please kindly pay attention. This is a better question than the previous 3 questions. This is a better one. The best one is yet to come in part 2 of rectangular arrangement. Now, 8 friends whose names have been given to you. They are sitting around a square table in such a way that 2 persons are sitting on each of the sides. 8 friends sitting around a square table such that 2 persons sitting on each of the sides. Each of the persons sitting around the table faces, each of the persons faces another person in front of that. All right, everyone? Clear? Next. Now, my dear students, all of them are facing the center, fine, and each one of them likes a different teen movie. All of them like a different teen movie. Okay. Now, here it is telling you A who likes Sky High is the only one sitting between W and M. A who likes Sky High is the only one sitting between W and M. Now, many possibilities can be here. A who likes Sky High, only one between W and M, one case, interchange W and M, second case. A who likes Sky High sits exactly between W and M, third case, interchange them, fourth case. So, these many cases I cannot afford. These many cases I cannot afford, and therefore, let us remove this. Now, the next one, my dear students. Next one. Y likes the duff and is sitting third to the left of W who likes the edge of 17. Y likes the duff and is sitting third to the left of W who likes the edge of 17. So, W likes the edge of 17 or W likes the edge of 17. So, Y likes the duff 1, 2 and 3. Y likes the duff and sits 1, 2 and third to the left of W. Y likes the duff and sits 1, 2 and third to the left of W. Okay. Okay. So, now listen to me very carefully. Y likes the duff and is sitting 1, 2 and third to the left of W likes the edge of 17. Now, look for interconnecting lines. Interconnecting line. Y and X are sitting on the same side of the table. X and Y are sitting on the same side of the table. Now, my dear students, L and Y are sitting together but not necessarily on the same side. So, L and Y are sitting together but not necessarily on the same side. Okay. Next thing. Next thing, my dear students. Now what it is telling you, read it. M likes Percy Jackson and is sitting second to the left of L. M likes Percy Jackson and is sitting second to the left of L. M likes Percy Jackson. M likes Percy Jackson and is sitting second to the left of L. L who likes Mean Girl. L who likes Mean Girls. Alright. Next. The one who likes High School Musical. A bigger name. Let me use a short form. The one who likes High School Musical sits beside X. The one who likes High School Musical, HSM. HSM. The one who likes High School Musical, HSM, sits beside X. Now, my dear students, very important. It is telling you A who likes Sky High is the only one sitting between W and M. A who likes Sky High is the only one sitting between W and M. Now, who is left out? It is telling you Z likes Easy A. Z likes Easy A. Z likes Easy A is over here. Z likes Easy A is over here. And now, one movie and one person is left. One movie and one person. So, ALMXY. ALMXY. WQZ. WQZ. So, here Q is left out. And the only movie which is left, the movie which is left out, let me see, The Edge of 17, yes. Then after The Edge of 17, High School Musical, yes. Sky High, yes. After Sky High, Mean Girl, yes. Easy A, Easy A, anyone? Yes, Easy A. 17 again, The Duff and Percy Jackson. The Duff and Percy Jackson is here, 17 again, 17 again. Alright everyone, getting it everybody, yes or no? Getting it everyone, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Quickly everyone. Fine. Okay. Are you all getting this or not? Are you all getting this or not? Quickly tell me. Fine. Complete diagram is clear. See, 17x, 17 again, left Y the Duff. X 17 again. Okay, Y the Duff, L Mean Girl, Easy A, L Mean Girl, Easy A, Easy A is Z, okay. M Percy Jackson, A Sky High, M Percy Jackson, A Sky High, okay, fine, absolutely it's clear. The diagram is super clear. And now, how many persons, my dear students, it is telling you, or it is in fact asking you, how many persons are there between the one who likes the Duff? How many persons are there between the one who likes Duff and the one who likes The Edge of 17 when counted clockwise direction from the one who likes the Duff? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. Answer is more than 3, that is 4. Answer is more than 3, that is 4. Alright everyone. Even if it would have been 5, the answer still would have been option number E. Who is sitting fifth to the right of Y? Fifth to the right of Y. Fifth to the right of Y is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's M Percy Jackson. It's M Percy Jackson. Option number D, that is M Percy Jackson. Alright. Which movie does the person like? Which movie does the person like who is sitting facing the one who likes Percy Jackson? Sitting facing the one who likes Percy Jackson is the Duff. Is the Duff. Option number A, the Duff. Alright everyone. Fine everyone. Next. Which one of the following is not the correct pair? Which one of the following is not the correct pair? L Mean Girl is correct pair. Q High School Musical, correct pair. X High School Musical, not correct pair. Y Sky High. Y Sky High, wrong pair. So, but more than one of the pair are right. More than one of the pair, L Mean Girl and Q High School Musical, HSM, okay, are right. So, therefore, the right answer is more than one of the above pair. Now, who is sitting third to the left of the one who likes High School Musical? Third to the left, 1, 2 and third is L Mean Girl. It is L Mean Girl. Answer is option number C. Getting it everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? And now with this, my dear students, we come towards the homework. So, this is your homework question. You are supposed to solve this, and once you solve this, you will be providing me the answer keys in this format. you will provide me the answer keys in which format? This format. Or you can provide me the answer keys in this format. In any one of them. In any one of them. Okay? Fine, everybody? Yes or no? Yes or no? And with these words, let us come to the sub questions. I will respond to each of the comments. I am very much clear about it. Okay? The first sub question. The second sub question. Please click the picture. The third sub question. The fourth sub question. The fifth sub question. Have you all clicked the pictures? Have you all clicked the pictures? Yes or no? Yes or no? And with these words, we come to an end of the session. I will again request you that when we launched this channel, I think on 16th of July, that was a Saturday if I am not wrong, the only purpose was the benefit of those students who are more comfortable in English in comparison to any other languages. We are doing our level best. Morning 9 a.m. Tausif sir is taking English class, then 10 a.m. Sanjay sir is taking the Con class, then reasoning 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. I am taking the classes, GA class Sashank sir at 12 noon and 4 p.m. and also my dear students, I am also informing you that very soon we are starting, maybe from tomorrow only, we are starting the science classes, physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, so please be regular in our classes. Okay, and now if I talk specifically of the banking aspirants, let me be very clear that here at 2 p.m. I am taking classes for you. Sir is taking for you the classes at 1. Okay, and in this way we are trying to help you. Okay, also very soon we will be doing all the classes which are required. Exam notification update we did it here also. Exam analysis was linked here also. IBPS PO notification is out. Please apply for the same. In case of any issue, write at the comment box. I am telling here. Okay, so we are trying our level best to help you. Okay, and now with these words, I will end this session. I will again say that the only person in the world who is standing between you and your success is you. It is you. Definitely it is you. Believe in yourself. The world will believe on you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.